Leesburg Police Department says they will begin immediately enforcing a zero-tolerance policy regarding speeders violating the speed limit within the construction zone on Alabama Highway 68 between the Water Tower and Sandrock. The Alabama Department of Transportation is currently in the process of doing bridge construction, and the speed limit has been reduced to 35 miles per hour during the construction process. Officer Jamie Chapman with the Leesburg Police told Weiss Radio News motorists are just not abiding by the posted speed limit on their own, and said that this is the official warning to motorists: slow down or be ticketed.
The police department wants to ask the public to please be cautious around Alabama Highway 68 headed up the mountain here in Leesburg. We're still having numerous problems with speeders during the construction zone. The speed limit has changed. It is now 35 miles per hour. Leesburg Police Department and the officers will be issuing citations beginning immediately due to speeders and construction workers still having problems with vehicles. I'd like to ask you also to be cautious of the workers being close to the highway and pay attention to vehicles stopping immediately.
Leesburg officers will be closely monitoring the area, and offenders will be issued tickets for violating the posted speed limit. Weiss Radio News rode along with Officer Chapman on Thursday afternoon for an interview when he made a traffic stop on a vehicle traveling above the posted speed limit. In Alabama, speeding tickets are doubled if issued inside a construction zone. The Cherokee County Circuit Clerk's office says that could cost you around $223.50. Reporting for Weiss Radio News, I'm Joey Weaver.